We ready to do this thing?
Let's get it.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a new recipe that we haven't tried before. We're going to make Southern Orangeade.
With some good fresh oranges. They're navel oranges, and you're right here in the farm kitchen. So come along for the ride.
Alright, so first we're going to start with, we need 2.5 cups of fresh squeezed oranges. That's a lot of orange juice.
That's not what we got to do first. First, you need 1.5 cups.
We're off to a fantastic start.
You need 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, so it's 1.5 cups of sugar. And then 1.5 cups of cold water. And what you need is equal parts. You need equal parts of sugar with equal parts of water. And so now we're going to go heat it up and stir it until it's dissolved. Alright, now that we're got it dissolved, we need to stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yep, just like that. And we need a pinch of salt. Just like that. Stir it up. Just like that. Now, like that. Now, we're going to take our oranges, and I'm just kind of mashing them up a little bit to get them kind of a little bit weaker. And all I do is just cut it right directly in the center, just like that. Put this on top, just like that, and you just push it on down and wiggle it around, just like that. You want all that orange juice all up in there.
The first one you did good. It feels like you have to really turn it, like spin it.
Time out. Wait.
Okay. So we're gonna try something different because that seems to be not getting all the juice out.
It's working, but it doesn't seem like it's getting all the juice out of it. So this is an old school. It's not what you just did.
It's 100% what I just said. Alright, so we're gonna use the old school press. So we're gonna
In case y'all
try.
didn't know, we're gonna use the old school press.
Did we mention we haven't done this before?
We've never done this before.
We're just gonna keep winging it and see what happens.
don't really know.
That's a lot.
I mean,
How much?
that's kind of flattened out. We got literally a quarter of a cup.
If you're wanting orangeade relatively fast, well, this isn't the way to do it. This is gonna take a while.
You need 2.5 cups of freshly squeezed oranges. So, you know, I mean, what we're doing.
We're gonna be here a while.
I mean, I really don't understand why. I don't understand why it's so difficult to squeeze out an orange.
Here, try getting some more in that one too. Let's see how much we have in this. Oh,
we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, y'all.
we're almost there.
In case y'all were wondering, I could put a lot more pressure on this right here,
The press.
on this press, but I don't want to break it.
It's really cold.
And I mean, it's kind of disintegrating. I don't really know if it's really working like it's supposed to.
So extremely strenuous. I'd rather go put up fencing. Oh my god.
It's pretty difficult.
This is
I mean,
really difficult.
it's,
Now I see why people just go out and buy orange juice. Like, goodness.
but like, I mean, it's fresh. I think that juicer right there is working better than this.
I think you're right. Pretty sure there's probably an easier way to do this.
Probably. But you know what? We don't have it. So we use what we have.
You're gonna catch that a lot in our videos. Us saying we don't have it.
A lot of people out there, you know, we try to be transparent. You know, a lot of people out there, they got these latest and greats and got all this money to buy all the best of the best. We don't. We just do what we can and we keep doing it the old school way, trying to figure it out.
Do you think that people back in the day had this much trouble getting juice out of oranges? Maybe they didn't drink any orange juice.
Maybe they didn't.
So give me that. I'll put that in the press once you get it all. Let's try that. You squeeze it with that and then I'll get the last bit out of the press.
Right. I mean, it's fresh. Orangeade. Not really orange juice, but orangeade. We just don't want this. We don't want this stuff from over here. It looks like mush. Okay, so got 2 cups right there. Put it in here. That looked funny, didn't it?
What happened?
You know what? It's part of the oranges. Alright.
Be careful not to choke when you drink it.
Now we need a 1/2 cup more. Yep.
We might be short some orange juice.
I think we'll be alright. If y'all like this kind of content, you know, like and subscribe or comment below. Because you know we're just being transparent on things that we do here on the farm. And life is too short to be serious all the time. but we just enjoy having fun and making stuff for the family to enjoy. Well, you're just making a really big mess. You're making more of a mess than I'm making.
I'm
over here.
losing more of my orange juice than anything.
I see that.
Just try this one.
Alright, let's see. Yep, that's a little bit more than we want. That'll be fine. Alright, put that in there. Just like that. And then we need
Half a cup of lemon juice.
half a cup of lemon juice. Now the store, we went to the store didn't have any lemon. So we got this lemon juice here. We're gonna see if that works.
Half a cup. That's it.
Half a cup.
Okay.
Half a cup.
Then you're gonna pour your sugar syrup into the pitcher.
Okay. Pour that into the pitcher. Okay.
If making ahead, add 5 additional cups of water, stir, and refrigerate. If serving right away, pour 5 cups of club soda into the pitcher instead of tap water. We're using water because we're not going to drink it right away. I think we might need a bigger pitcher.
Here's 4 cups. There's 4 cups, and it's at the top.
I think it'll be good.
I do believe we're going to stay right there with that.
It'll just be a little stronger than.
Alright, now we're going to take the pitcher. It's really cool. Be very careful. We're going to take it and put it in the refrigerator and chill it down.
It might have been a tad full. Note to self when making this, get a big pitcher.
All right, here's the finished product, guys. That is really good.
That's so good.
That's my mouth.
That is so delicious.
That was really good.
Very good.
So it's kind of like, what would you like describe that as? It's like orange juice with.
It's like a really sweet. Well, I mean, it's orangeade,
Yeah.
but it's definitely Southern. Cause you know us Southerners, we like a little bit of tea with our sugar. You know what I'm saying? So this
But
stuff right here, this is good.
What would you describe the taste though? Like to explain to somebody what?
It's really sweet. Like you have the orange flavor in it.
Mm.
You can taste a hint of the vanilla.
Mm.
You can't really taste the lemon juice that we put in there. I mean,
No.
you don't really taste that at all. But it did kind of pull back some of the acidity
It did.
that orange would put off.
Yeah, I think that's what the lemon juice was for. It was to make it not so acidity. Yeah. It's really good.
but it's really delicious. Try it out, guys. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think.
Thank you guys. Thanks for